How to fix Instagram couldn't change photo. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram couldn't change the profile picture easily and fast. So first thing you have to do is open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, and then go to the apps again. Right here on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone, and then scroll down until you find Instagram and then click on it. After you click on Instagram, now all what you have to do on this page is very simple and easy. Just click on the permissions right here and then make sure to enable the storage option. And after you enable the storage option, go back and this time click on the force stop and go down to the storage and click here on clear data. After that, all what you have to do now is just turn off your phone and turn it on again and then reopen Instagram and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.